The RM400 is also equipped with an automatic rotor depth control feature where the operator can save his working depth with a double tap of the green button. On the display, it's indicated by the rotor depth number with the box around it. That number has been saved at 6 inches deep. When the operator reaches the end of the cut, one touch of the blue button will raise the rotor to the 0 point, or the scratch point that is even with the surface of material. It allows the operator to close the doors and finish his cut as desired. One more tap of the blue button, the rotor raises all the way to travel height, giving the operator the opportunity to maneuver the machine for the next cut. Once the machine has maneuvered to the next cut, simply push and hold the green button and the rotor will plunge and return to that cut setting.